Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn a powerful and efficient new Excel function called take. The take function is a quick way to pull a specific number of rows or columns from either the start or the end of a given data range. For example, if you want to extract the last 10 rows of your sales data or first 3 columns of your sales data, take function can do it easily. To understand, we will use the given sales data having salesperson names, reasons, sales amounts, and months. The syntax of take function is straightforward and it takes three arguments. The first argument is the range of data you are working with. The second argument is the number of rows to extract. If you use a negative number, it will take rows from the end of the array or from the last row of the data. The third argument is optional and it is the number of columns to extract. Again, a negative number will take value from the end or right side of the array. To get the first 10 rows of data, type equals to take open bracket, select the data, comma 10 closing bracket and press enter. It will extract the top 10 rows. Now to get the last 10 rows, type equals to take open bracket, select the data, comma minus 10 closing bracket and press enter. It will extract the last 10 rows because we have used a negative number. Similarly, to get the first three columns of data, type equals to take open bracket, select the data, comma, comma again 3 closing bracket and press enter. It will show first three columns. Here we have skipped the rows argument, so all rows are returned, but only first three columns are shown. Now to get the first five rows and last four columns of the data, type equals to take open bracket, select the data, comma, type 5 for rows, comma, type -4 for columns, closing bracket and press enter. Here we have used negative number in column argument, so it will show last four columns but first five rows of the data. Now to get the last row of the data, type equals to take open bracket, select the data, comma -1 closing bracket and press enter. This extract only the last row from the specified data. Now the take function becomes even more powerful when combined with other Excel functions. For example, to find the top 3 salesperson based on sales, we will combine take function with sort function. First, to sort the data in descending order by the sales column, type equals to sort open bracket, select the data, comma. Now the sort column is in the fourth column, so type 4, comma and -1 for descending order, closing bracket and press enter. This will sort the data in descending order by the sales column. Now wrap the sort function with take function to select the top three rows. So type take after equals to sign, open bracket, and after sort function, type comma 3 to extract the top three rows, closing bracket and press enter. It will show top three salesperson with the highest sales. Now to get the total sales for the top 5 salesperson, we will combine sum function with take. Now in this case, we will first use take function with sort function to get the top 5 sales value as we did in the last example. So type equals to take open bracket sort open bracket, select the sales column, comma, 1, comma, minus 1, closing bracket, comma, 5, closing bracket for take function and press enter. Now it will return top 5 sales value. Now wrap the function with sum function. So type sum after equals to sign and after take function, closing bracket, press enter. Now this formula sums up the sales of the top 5 salespeople. This is how you can use the take function and combine it with other functions to make it even more powerful. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.